Hey everyone, today we'll show you the best IPTV services out there, starting with 2TV.store. Contact Nancy from customer support, links in the description below. Let's dive right into why 2TV.store has become a favorite. Offering a massive channel lineup, it's perfect for movie buffs and sports fans alike, providing high-quality streaming. Switching gears, we'll explore another top-notch provider, packed with exclusive features. Compare user experience, prices, and interfaces to make your choice easier. Not to be missed, our third service offers solid value with reliable streaming. Gain insights into its unique selling points and why users are flocking to it. Where does 2TV.store stand among these options? It's acclaimed for its unbeatable combination of quality and care, thanks to dedicated supporters like Nancy. To conclude, whichever option you choose from these top picks, your IPTV experience will be transformed. Stay tuned for more guides to keep your viewing fresh.